Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now by fitting the correct check valve to your airline or return tubing. This prevents siphon back when the pump stops. Once you have the right inner diameter match, push the tubing fully over both barbs so there are no leaks. Make sure the valve arrow points away from the tank toward the pump. This is critical. If the tubing feels loose, trim it square and use hose clamps. These steps establish a secure, directional seal before powering anything. Once done, you secure the connections and test performance under power, because a check valve looks right but can still leak or stick. Make sure to use light clamps or heat shrink on tubing without crushing the valve body. Run the pump for a minute and watch for reverse drip or trapped bubbles. That shows a seating or orientation problem. If you see backflow, rotate valve 180 degrees and retest, or replace if sticky. Then tidy tubing to avoid kinks or low points. To finish, you mount the valve accessible for inspection and secure all lines so nothing moves during operation. Make sure there are no low loops that can trap water. Adjust routing so gravity doesn't fight the check valve. Monitor for unusual noise or intermittent flow over the next 24 hours. If things go wrong, no flow or gurgling, shut power, remove and inspect the valve for debris or trapped air. Cleaning or a quick replacement usually fixes the issue, so don't panic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.